As soon as we boarded, we were greeted with a welcome drink. The Dubai Marina luxury cruise offers a decent buffet spread. This is a 5-star international buffet, but it has the live Italian pasta station. We've got salads. Of course, they've got all the Lebanese foods, hummus, baba ganoush. Then they've got the main course, macam-macam lah, from Asian to Western, and assortment of desserts.
So what are you gonna whack?
I'm gonna whack the Arabian, the Arab punya salad because I love their hummus. Sadap. There were 2 buffet lines, upstairs and downstairs, but the pasta station was above. Both Belle and I were the first to head there.
This one's yours.
While some guests preferred to sit at the open-air top deck upstairs, we were quite happy staying indoors where the aircon was on full blast.
Finally get to sit down, eat. This is Thai chicken. But let's see what Mama has ordered.
After 3 brownies, Iman had joined her brother as they succumbed to jet lag on their first night.
Wow. So she had her 3 brownies and that's it.
While soaking in the spectacular views of Dubai Marina, I tried my hardest not to fall asleep. My mission was to get over my jet lag ASAP. Good thing for the solo Filipino act that kept us entertained while we cruised the night away.
Go! Right, CC window cleaner! In the house!